In the town of Morant, a young man tried to take his own life. That is sad, you know. That is so sad. Trust me, that is so sad.
Every time I see me in the beginning, I can make up 19 at the beer and move up now. I know my two set of me. I'm tired of it, boy.
You tired of it?
Yeah.
So I trouble Maggie make them a beat tomorrow?
He had no so...
He had no 200?
100.
Okay. So they must come go to Bellevue or something, man.
So we don't do nothing about it.
Alright, what have you done, sir?
The man said, please, man, some beat with the black button.
You can get some good liquor out of the black button?
Yeah.
You can't take no more?
You can't take no more.
Right,
So I say, every time you come out here, when disturb me.
Yeah.
You get upset.
Maybe them have come go Bellevue. Them have come go some mental health place where them can take care of him.
Man, no.
Eh?
They call the police and
Yeah.
the police just come and start.
Okay.
And the fire brigade get called out.
And the fire brigade get him
The
down.
man come and just push the leg out and go cut the limb where the rope they can.
Yeah.
I said they could have hold man put him down.
And put him down.
I said can't too much. Police beat him.
Yeah.
Little you can come beat you with trouble all the while.
Yeah.
So
One team family, my family?
the mother must have foreign and he has some family live up a way in time.
Okay.
A pilot, you know.
Yeah.
So through, you work on the soul you could go on. The road is the man of Robbie.
Yeah.
Two she's on a foreign and don't carry. She there now. She's a cool in the man.
Yeah.
But two she's on a foreign, no section out there.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to see what you see. The fireman has cut the limb before I saw. You really make up the man. It's time to rise. The man says, can't tired.
I'm tired of it.
Man get too much.
Him need help, man. Him need help. Him have to come go like to the people that can. So my viewers and sub, I'm in the beer. On the lower end of Morant Bay. I just have a check out 2 stores upstairs. Robbie's, I see a beauty salon store. I see some nails and all these things taking place inside here. So I go up here, my viewers and sub, overlooking the town of Morant Bay. Just go up here, go look what's taking place in this store here. Good day, good day, good day, good day, good day, good day. Big Super is here. Yeah, I'm here in this store. I'm here look upon the items them and the things that were taking place here. Hello, can I speak to someone here? Tell me what's going on in this beautiful store here.
Hi, hello.
Yeah, come right here, make I see you. So, good afternoon to this nice lady. So what's the name of your store?
This is Nails R Us.
Nails what?
Nails R Us.
Nails are us. And where you guys
Beauty
look?
Salon.
Repeat that.
Nails R Us, Beauty Salon,
Yeah.
and Arbadashry.
And Arbadashry. And you guys located in basically in the heart of Morant Bay.
Yes,
And you
that's
know,
right.
I was walking through this town all the while. And me never hear about an incident. Me basically want to know about you. But what you really sell, what you really offer the public?
Alright, so we have household items. As I said, our salon is up here, so we have an Arbadashry where we do hair products and stuff like that.
Okay, so that means that if you want nails, you want hair, but me see like you have a variety because me see all,
Yes, we do.
me see a shear inside here, me see speaker for ears, and me see a wide range of stuff inside this salon.
Yes.
Yeah, and if the public need to get in touch with you, where are you located?
We're located at 9 Queen Street, Morant Bay. That's upstairs Robbie's restaurant.
Upstairs.
A lot of people know that restaurant, so
For them find Robbie's, them find you.
that's right.
Alright, peace.